Good morning, it's June 12th. Let's start analysis with with gold. All the levels from the past are gone. Let's start with the new levels. We had a big move overnight during the Asian session and the early European session. Now we're getting into the US session. What I see a level that we hit on the hourly. This will be considered a do or die level, and this is a 3406 area on gold. This is gold August contract. If we break through this, the issue will be having a continuation zone right above us. On the daily, you see it. The whole zone here is a continuation zone, as you see, this whole bubble. But if it holds it, then we might see it back down. At least for me, seeing it back down to a support level to continue back up to break through it. Two different support levels, or one main support level I have on gold. If we go back down to 3377 area, 3378 area, that will be a support level. So we have to watch for this do or die level for today and see how it goes. Okay. Next target, if we break it, will be 3420. Okay, 3420, and then if it continues, we might continue to 3440. Nasdaq, the upper level, held a couple of times and then poked through it, and then coming back down. My support level on the Nasdaq on the daily remains bullish, as you see. We have a few areas for support, but the main support will be the bottom of this cluster on the daily, as you see. And I have a level here, which is I would say around 21,680 to 21,640. When the market gets to that level, you have to look at a smaller chart, probably 987 tick chart for confirmation. And I see the Nasdaq going probably higher through this cluster to the next level, as it is an uptrend as I see it. Again, no trading unless we see confirmations, unless you see where the stop loss is, because this whole area below is open. You see, it's prone to be broken, so you have to be careful with the Nasdaq. ES, basically nothing changed. We still have the support level here, which is, I think it's going to break the lower support level from earlier this morning. The next one will be around this one here, which is a 78% retracement from the move. It's around 59.63, something like that. Okay, so we have a support here. I don't think this will hold. I don't see it holding. If it holds, then the next target I see on the ES to be higher, around 6090 area, which is a level that I pointed to a couple of days ago. Crude, we do have the crude going through the main level that I had here in the past, blew right through it. It went into the continuation zone. So crude to me remains bullish. Okay, my next target on crude is not far as a high. So my next target on crude is going to be around 70, just above 70. So now if we break this cluster, we might come back down, right? And if we stay in this cluster, my support levels are, let me see, I'll tell you my support levels. My next support level is around 6640, as you see this line here, 6640, which is a smaller wave. For a bigger wave, I'm looking at 6350 area or so. Okay, and that's how I see it. However, if we break the lower line at 66 area, around, if we break 66, keep in mind the area below that on the daily is open. So again, it's anybody's game. Okay, thank you.